guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best way to highlight and to contour your face without looking crazy. So if that sounds like what you're interested in, you want to watch this video from the beginning to the end. So without further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing I'm going to do is to use this my spoonie brush and this my edge control for my eyebrows. Next, I'll go in with my concealer and I'll use this my flat mouth brush for it, just to conceal the down part of my eyebrows. I will use my blending brush to blend it. The next thing to do now is to use my eyeshadow for my eye area, and I'll just pick any color from here that I want to use. I'll be using this color here. I'll just use this for my eyebrow. I'm done with my eyeshadow. The next thing for me to do is to prime my face, and I'll be using this product for Zero Cosmetic as well. The next thing to do now is to use my foundation, and this foundation is from Zero Cosmetic. Most of the products are from Zero. The next thing for me to do is to use my beauty blender to blend it in my face. The next product to use now is to use my concealer, and the concealer I'll be using is also from Zero Cosmetic as well. And this concealer, I'll be using it to highlight my face, and I'm going to show you the proper way you can highlight your face very well without making any mistake. So what I'm going to do is just to put the concealer in the inner part of my eye area, just like this. You put it like this, and the outer area too, like this. Go to the other side and also do it like this and like this. So this is the best way to highlight your face. Everybody have their different method, but this is the best way I feel it is proper to highlight your face. So just to use your beauty blender now to blend it in and to highlight it properly on your face. So guys, I'm going to show you how to contour your face properly so that your face can look snatchy. After using your brush to apply your contour on your face, you also use your beauty blender to blend it out so that it will look snatchy and beautiful. It's not everybody that does this method, but I feel this is just the right way to give it that beautiful and nice look. The next thing to do now is to apply setting powder on my face. I'm going to show you how I'm going to apply the setting powder, just little, just like baking it on my face. I'm going to show you shortly. The next thing to do now is to blend it out. The next thing to do is to apply blush on my face, and I'll be using the Gear blush on my face. So I'll just pick the color I want. I'll just pick the color I want. And guys, this is it, a soft natural highlighting and contouring routine that help you to enhance your features without looking heavy. And guys, if you find this video helpful, please do want to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it to your friends and loved ones, and if you need more makeup tutorial like this, let me know in the comment section. And please don't forget to watch my previous video as you also find them interesting. So guys, from me to you, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.